What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, a group of billionaires just moved $500 billion into what might be the biggest technological bet in human history? Larry Ellison's net worth just exploded to $393 billion. That's more than the GDP of most countries, all because of one technology. Sam Altman just announced a $500 billion venture that dwarfs the space race. And Masayoshi Son? He's betting everything on machines that might soon think better than we do. This isn't just about money. This is about the future of human civilization. And these billionaires know something the rest of us are just beginning to understand. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly what's happening behind the scenes of the greatest gold rush of our time. I'm welcome to Look to the Stars, and today we're diving deep into something that's reshaping our world faster than most people realize. We're talking about the AI arms race, and why the smartest money on the planet is flowing into artificial intelligence like water rushing toward a dam that's about to burst. But here's what makes this story fascinating. It's not just about the technology. It's about timing, strategy, and a group of visionaries who are essentially betting that AI will be the defining technology of the next century. And based on what I've uncovered, they might be absolutely right. Let me show you the numbers that will blow your mind. 1. The Oracle explosion. Let's start with the most shocking story of them all. Larry Ellison. Now, you might know Ellison as the co-founder of Oracle, but what happened to his net worth recently is absolutely unprecedented. His wealth surged to $393 billion. Let me put that in perspective for you. That's larger than the entire GDP of countries like South Africa or Ireland. But here's the kicker. This wasn't because he invented a new database or bought a Hawaiian island. This explosion happened because Oracle's stock jumped 40% in response to one thing: AI-powered cloud services. Think about this for a moment. The market looked at Oracle and said, this company is positioned to be a major player in the AI revolution, and investors threw money at it like it was the last lifeboat on the Titanic. But Ellison isn't just sitting back and collecting dividends. He's doubling down in the most spectacular way possible. He's partnered with Sam Altman and Masayoshi Son in something called Stargate LLC. And when I tell you about this venture, you'll understand why these billionaires think AI is the opportunity of several lifetimes. 2. The $500 billion Stargate project. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, has co-founded something called Stargate LLC. This isn't just another tech startup. This is a $500 billion AI infrastructure venture. $500 billion. That's more than the market cap of Tesla, Netflix, and Nike combined. And it's not just Altman's money. He's partnered with Oracle and SoftBank, with Masayoshi Son himself chairing the project. But what exactly is Stargate LLC building? They're creating the infrastructure that will power the next generation of AI. Think of it as building the highways before everyone realizes they need cars. They're betting that AI is going to require massive computational resources, and they want to be the ones providing it. Masayoshi Son, who chairs this venture, has a history of making bold bets. He was one of the early investors in Alibaba, turning a $20 million investment into over $100 billion. Now he's applying that same visionary thinking to AI infrastructure. 3. The ecosystem builders. Let me show you the ecosystem that's being built around AI, because this is where you can see the real strategy. Peter Thiel, the founder of Founders Fund and early Facebook investor, is backing companies like Sentient AGI with a specific focus: decentralizing AI development. While others are building massive centralized systems, Thiel is betting on a distributed future. Then there's Alexander Wang, founder of Scale AI and now Meta's chief AI officer. His company does something most people don't think about but is absolutely critical. They provide the data labeling and model evaluation services that make AI systems work. Without companies like Scale AI, these powerful AI models would be blind. Ben Lam is taking AI into biology with Colossal Biosciences. They're literally using AI to bring back extinct species. And Hemant Taneja's General Catalyst is funding the next generation of AI startups like Mistral and Ramp. Here's what's fascinating about this pattern. Each of these billionaires is betting on a different layer of the AI stack. It's like they're all building different parts of the same massive machine. And they know that machine is going to change everything. Section 4. Why now? The perfect storm. Why are these billionaires moving hundreds of billions of dollars into AI at this exact moment? The answer comes down to three factors converging at once. First, AI capability just hit an inflection point. GPT-4 and similar models crossed a threshold where they became genuinely useful for real-world applications. When billionaires see technology cross from interesting to inevitable, that's when the big money moves. Second, the infrastructure is finally ready. Cloud computing, advanced chips, and global connectivity have reached a point where massive AI systems are actually buildable and scalable. But third, AI isn't just going to be another technology sector. It's going to reshape every sector: healthcare, education, manufacturing, entertainment, finance. There isn't an industry that won't be transformed. 5. What this means for the rest of us. Here's the thing. When this much smart money moves this fast into a technology, it creates ripple effects everywhere. We're about to see an explosion of AI-powered products and services. Your job, your investments, your daily life. It's all about to change in ways we can barely imagine. But there's also an opportunity here. These billionaires are essentially giving us a roadmap. They're showing us which areas of AI they think will be most valuable. Scale AI's focus on data services, OpenAI's push into general AI capabilities, Oracle's cloud infrastructure play. These are the building blocks of the AI economy. If you're thinking about your career, your investments, or even just understanding where the world is headed, pay attention to where this money is flowing. History shows us that when visionaries like these make coordinated bets this big, they're usually right about the direction, even if they're wrong about the details. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. And the biggest names in tech and investing are betting everything on it. Conclusion and call to action. So here's my question for you. Are you ready for the AI economy? Because whether you're ready or not, it's coming faster than most people think. The billionaires I've talked about today didn't get wealthy by following trends. They got wealthy by seeing trends before everyone else. And right now, they're all looking in the same direction. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in the AI space, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm going to be covering more stories like this, breaking down the moves that are shaping our future before they become headline news. And drop a comment below. Which of these AI investments surprised you the most? I read every comment, and your insights help shape the content I create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into the technologies that are reshaping our world.